In verse 18, Jesus says, "You are Peter, Petros, meaning rock, and on this Petra, also meaning rock, I will build my church." The difference between the two words for the rock that Jesus used here are well known in classical Greek. One commentator describes what he envisioned the background of this conversation to be. The little group is standing on one of the huge rocky flanks of mighty Mount Hermon. Great boulders here and there around them, and in all probability well in sight. Some great stones cut out of the rock and made ready for use in building, like those to the north of Hermon, for this region was famous for its great temples. Now, he says, when we remember that the two words our Lord uses, Petros and Petra for rock, in our version, have not precisely the same meaning. The one, Petros, Peter, signifying a piece of rock or a stone. The other, Petra, suggesting rather the great bedrock out of which these stones are cut and on which they are lying. We can understand that while the reference is certainly in the first place to Peter himself, the main thing is the great fact just brought out that he is resting in the strength of faith on God as revealed in his Son. Thus, while Peter is certainly the piece of rock, the first stone which is laid upon the great underlying foundation on which all the faithful build, and therefore is, in a sense, the first stone laid on the foundation stone, yet the foundation of all is the bedrock, Christ himself, on which that first stone and all other stones are laid. So perhaps the best solution to the question, what is the rock that Jesus is talking about here, may be some combination of the three possibilities. But we also need to remember that Jesus tells Peter, I will build my church.